Me can tell you right now, so me never like a judge in a clash. I never liked a hosting clash. I never liked any of this stuff.
You, yeah, host.
No, me I just said I don't like judges in general. Like I think I've watched whole heap of Boom Clash and me see the judges and me see what them do sometime.
Boom Clash, another level where we are talking.
Yeah, man, but feel like when you start include judges, no, I'm not gonna tell you the truth. You see, judges, them have more sometime. You'd have to find 3 judge when nobody when no feel like them to say
you can't
anything.
Say them nobody. Listen, you need 3
because you see the friendship,
you need 3
friendship, foot and high.
That's how friendship work. Last night, Twitch and Matarana,
part the truth.
And you gone over the next side, so and a friendship you have to worry about. Worry about
Twitch.
people. We're straight and we talk the truth.
How much of them you can find? How much of them you can find?
Me can't find them.
Alright, so you keep the next clash. Because if you know where the judges them, we no bias to walk on. You have to keep the clash.
Yeah.
Man, judges to me, and also, man, I read you a reason last night. I start see the judges just like the host sometime. Start looking forward, and instead of being like more like you don't really see me. And I think that's a problem as well. So more time to me, judges is something where me not really enjoy a clash with judges as much as me enjoy a clash where the people them just yell or put them hand and say "Wow, go on."
Alright, watch this now. Other night up on the live.
Other night, general.
And him say, judge them bias more time, but I'll show you a judge important. Him do a clash with you when me clearly see him win. But you see when them put up the thing and say, all of who vote for the next one, vote for who win. The next one have more voters than him. Because you have people who are going to clash and listen when you're not voting thing. When you're not going on the Instagram thing.
But that's a part of clash. That's not something you can avoid. You cannot avoid people.
Judge.
You cannot avoid. You know what? You cannot avoid losing. You cannot. There's going to be days you win. There's going to be days you lose. There's going to be days that you rightfully win. There's going to be days that you rightfully lose. There's going to be days you shoulda did win, and there's going to be days you shoulda did lose. I personally think the judges, one, them cannot get their mind out of the biases, nor the hype where them look forget the little bus and run to joke and say, yo, me I look forward.
No,
secondly, let me just finish this. Secondly, them hold up the time. Me want clash. If me want clash, me want music. Me don't want to sit down and listen to 3 people talk.
You ready for me to now?
Ready.
When I use the wrong judge them, that's the whole point.
But tell us why you for keep it, but I get the right judge.
When can't give me the right to pick the judge them.
I agree.
Oh, you feel use some people where them themselves don't know nothing about music. Oh, you use them. Yeah. Someone feel like such a man, a big bandsman, and him play keyboard, him can be a judge. No, him play keyboard, but him go show when him at work. You forget dancehall. Tell what we go everywhere dance and no clash and no tune and no music and not give a fuck if a Mataran, Almighty Crown, or Trooper, or the music we are dealing. You understand what I say? The man them now spend time, pick the judge them. Them just I use 2 people, them feel like, oh, this categorized person is good to be a judge. No, I'm not so judging go. You understand what I say? Because sometimes the judge himself don't know what that just come in some judge are going to go off a name and they have some judge are go off a rate. But we know say you can use a no-name artist and damage the place. We know say when the art alright, like last night.
Hold on, they might tell you if you name the judge them what you think would be a good judge.
Honestly, me first. As much as me and
you can say you, Dylan.
No, me I just be honest now. Although me and him not 100%, but Scatter would be a good judge too. See? And a brethren when he Buggy, he would have be a good judge too. Because a man in a ramp to tell people.
Alright, so here we are going now. Footer, we are going to keep the clash. Me and you are going to keep the clash.
Me not a problem.
And me I tell you right now, I'm personally completely against judges.
Right.
I don't want the judges them hold up the clash. But if Footer Hype says the judges can speak quickly, give them opinion quickly, them not go look no forward, and they will be completely unbiased to what go on, I'm down, bro. I'm 100% down. And if you and whosoever you just said, really agree 100% in a real life, can sit on and hold it and say, yeah, man, we're going to just deal with the clash, I'm 100% down, bro.
Yeah, it can work, but trust me. But what me want to know, Walshy, what going on with Twitch?
Let's talk about it. Yo, you tell you something, man. Twitch are the real general in this. Big him up. Twitch is a real general. And when
Twitch was the judge last night?
Twitch look like him decide who win the clash, you know. Remember me tell you, man. It look like Twitch spoke what the people were saying. Twitch are the real general. All who was the Uncle Switch and Uncle Bitch, yo, Twitch talk exactly what you guys were thinking. Give the man him respect.
No, this boy wasn't about respect. The question was who win the clash, and in a respect business. These are the things that cause problem in our judging.
When I say respect is because when I say respect is because remember, nobody never asked Twitch who win the clash, you know.
Yeah, man,
when Twitch grab a microphone and the man them must do them big up and them shout out, and Twitch has said, give me the mic, and I give him the microphone. Twitch already have it in our mind, say, yo, you know, so I'm gonna talk everything where the people them say. And so Twitch just literally said exactly what everybody said.
It's not everybody. We can't agree, say what everybody said.
Most people.
No, I was seeing a different thing over the other line. Remember, say phone up.
Over which line?
Brother, me check statistic numbers, you know. Over phone up, something over there, so at 800 at the max, and 900 the max. Zine?
Over which one?
The YouTube. Zine?
No, the YouTube reached about $2,000, and then the Instagram did reach $2,000.
Well,
Maggi, I think Maggi only reached 4. I think Maggi did reach 4, and I think on stage it reached grand or so.
So watch this. You cannot say that was what most of the people them say.
Oh, you say over Maggi them a say win.
But watch this now. You never even see most of the people them. That's what me I say. So you can't say most of the people.
I totally agree. Yeah, I totally agree. That is something I wish everybody was in one space. Right. So that we can see everybody. I agree.
Me now, where they sort of jump from live to live. Because every time one freeze, me go up on the next one. See?
Right.
So me, I say, them statements, they can't work. When you're going to say, Twitch say where everybody was, because everybody was not saying that. That's a lie.
I agree with that.
See? So, what me I say now, see? We have to go keep on meeting Twitch.
Yo, right now, me can't tell you right now. Meet and keep last night, man. Mataran outside with Twitchy Dog. I said, why?
You know what me feel? Me feel Mataran this Twitch something from them about 19. And Twitch just feel for beat him feet. Yo, from the Mataran the drink because he can't play one time when they in New York and live. And Twitch never feel for talk about it till now to pussy glad. Yo.
Too funny. This is too funny.
Yo. So hear me and say. So I know you keep the class, so you don't know when I'm gonna be the next one or not like that.
Yeah, them said them are gonna work on the next one and announce something. But me keep my clash every Sunday. So more everybody just watch my clash in the next 2 hours wherever you are in the world on Major Laser's YouTube. King Fargo from Brooklyn versus Northern Lights from Italy. And it's a nice clash. It's a nice little 1 hour.
You want me to tell you who me think win the clash?
No, because I don't really care. I just think that at the end of the day we have to really recognize, first of all, the brother that keep the clash invest a lot of money, and it never cheap it, it never hustle it, and that's what dancehall really need. Is it needs some investor. Now,
you know, the Swiss Beats it over there, right?
Mad. See,
Swiss Beats it up on the live, man. I say zone. People
yeah, man.
I mean, alone see.
So when Mr. say, yo, you have people where really want to invest in a dancehall, I just respect them and I show them the utmost, applause and congrats, because him spend a whole heap of money on the production. Now, as we all know, that's not what's really needed for an online clash. You don't really need so much production and you don't really need so much things. But him never cheap it and him overdo it, and me alright with that, because I say him real, him very serious about investing in that.
They're supposed to overdo it. You know why? It's time for investors with the money within our culture. Make them move there. Zine, remember in any business it take you 2 to 3 years before you start make profit, right? So if him have the money and can do it till it generate to the large thing, you notice that no artist yesterday no repost it. You notice that? It was not advertised like when the Yankee them a keep our thing, everybody run and repost it. Now this is the hypocrisy within the music when we are talking about. Then we not see no artist I repost the clash yesterday. Never not one. So it's just merely fans and selectors, and not every selector neither. Zine, a little bit that we repost it. So it goes to show you that if we were to get the full support from our fraternity, like just selectors alone, don't even put artists in it. If every selector there rebroadcast it and repost it, even yesterday alone, you know the numbers them were ridiculous, but they didn't. Because every man I watch and say, Anna them book, Anna that. Me never book, but me still repost it because me not care. Me love the music. Me and Matarana really good like that.
Let's talk about that for a second.
Fanta, every time I go Christian and I see, man, I like me and the man in a bosom friend, and I like it. But at the end of the day, me is a selector. I'm a trade, you understand what I'm saying? So if I see something great, I'm holding the trade, me have to promote it.
Right. Yeah, let's talk about it. I think that's a great discussion point. What we have is a certain culture that within itself fight itself. I mean, can tell you, as a person that people did feel like was the promoter, the amount of people where me see, link me, or in some of the group chats say, yo, so me not go watch that. Me not support that. And I mean, to me, it don't bother me, because that's just dancehall, right? People, them just miserable, or them just not like something, them just not like it. But at the same time, we really do need to have a conversation that says, guys, you benefit if we all support something. Because when it's your time to get support, all of us have the same energy and turn around and say, yo, them money I keep clash, and it's two sound where they need the strength. Everybody do the same thing. So it's a shame. It's a shame that we have to have that conversation. But it is what it is. And it's not until we either decide, say, yo, we're going to draw a line and say, yo, everybody will agree, say dancehall and sound system culture, forget the support, go one side, or anybody will want just this and go outside and this. And I remember I say it's not private disrespect, it's public disrespect, from sound man, where it just don't look good. It just don't look good. When you're in the streets,
someone I say, oh, I'm here. Well, she fired them rich already. Oh, I'm here. But that has nothing to do with
it.
The fact that all right. So when they use Panta and Matarana, you think them can use Panta and Matarana again all the time? Them have to go use a Firelink or a Sky Juice or a Footer Hype or a Store Love. Somebody else are going to eat food. So why you going to fight it? You don't must be the gate opener, but you have to make sure that the gate stay open. You understand what I'm saying? We numbers them for ridiculous, Bridget. Me not see none of the big artists them where are them selector, like it or not. Whether you hate Matarana or you hate Panta or not, artists make a lot of bread. Zine, big up Sanchez from the check-in. Artists, these are the main thing I like with artists. They need to realize that the selector they want to look down upon are the main source of income. Because if them not blood clot play song, we don't have none to play. We can sing and play on a song themselves. You understand what I'm saying? So if you see a select a platform like this, and you see a clash of our culture same way, who Matarana go play? No must the artist them, who Panther go play the artist them. So you have to repost it too. You understand? You have to make sure say the world I see this. You understand what I'm saying? Because some of them have ran up on them page. Ashanti, Rere, the selector, they might not must have them people there. But you, when you promote that now, them big Yankee people there, we are looking for anything and say, shit, what's this? It's like a first step. But this is a DJ, we're going to watch it. You understand what I'm saying? Them things they need it.
And to everybody will love the dissing thing, come realize, like, just honestly, if you're in a dance hall and your skin not thick, you're not gonna make it, right? Like, you have to really have your mind for know say everything good what you do. A whole heap of people are gonna say fuck you. A whole heap of people are gonna say fuck you. You
have to train like me. You have to train like me. Like me.
Right. So I go to every sound man and everybody with there we can tell them sound friend. You see, when somebody keeps something and you know say that the potential to be really great and really big, you support it. And when you're ready for diss it, go in at the chat and diss it. Support it. And then you can diss every selector and diss every host, and you can keep all of the fuckery in at the chat. But it's not really dope to be like, yo, Mataran and Panther got clash, and you know, so me nah go watch that, me nah go support it, because remember, say it's a free thing. It's a free thing, you know. It's a free thing, you don't really have to diss it.
Listen to me couldn't sleep if me never watched that. You mad?
Because we love it. Yeah,
me too patriotic, like, me believing in my culture too much. Alright. Remember, say when the clash are going to be in a bunch of verses. None of them no part. Me and none of them, you know, long one of them not give me a song. But them think they have bad mind if you go say because you're not giving a song. You're going to represent the flag, this. On a major platform. This is how we're important now. It's not who I perform, but you represent yes, sir. Zine, me have to go show my face, me have to make up the number. Me have to go comment and enough of myself. Me on a group pick and I represent this. Asafa no my runner. A Bolt my runner, but when Asafa run Bolt 9 areas, alright. Asafa the man. But at this me I represent at the end of the day. You understand? And this is where them now understand. You see me, you have to understand where you are different. Like, and the same thing even with artists and them content, me I say, when you're in a dance hall, you have to know where you represent. You like hip-hop, but hip-hop you do. So don't bring hip-hop behavior in a way you do. You understand? Don't bring the nastiness from hip-hop in a way you do. You do this. You do the flag. Once you become an artist and say a dancehall artist, you rep this. That flag here. So it's bigger than what you like. Someone love that for my life. Oh, want it more. No. You represent this. No, how you carry yourself. No, how you deliver.
And dance and sound clash really, if you really check it, sound clash is a global thing, right? So you have sound from all about the place. So even if you is not Jamaican, it's Jamaican culture still, and we know that. And you have sound system all about the place. And we just, I say, you see that little respect something there where you say, yo, my respect everybody I talk about for the culture and respect the culture is when you're out in the public a bash something that really shows a boy and you're not even doing anything, right? So it's not even like you say, yo, so me can do this better. You're not really even doing anything. You're just there in the chat room and say, fuckery. You're hurting yourself. So to every sound man, we can move from this topic now. Just remember, goes around, comes around. Just know, so when you this dancehall or when you this sound culture and it's not you up on the stage or it's not you, yo, you're gonna you're gonna intern this is
because stop your own food.
Yeah. So
alright, so
I miss that.
You're not telling who win. You're not telling who win.
No. And I don't do that for any clash. I never publicly speak on who I think wins.
You know, say what I want a politician. The whole I want a politician.
Very much.
Watch. You want me to tell you who win the clash?
No.
Alright. Me I go cut you off of my life and you still I go watch it and me still I'll tell you.
Yo, everybody, just make sure you log in on Quarantine Clash. It's a keeping 2 hour. A whole heap of joke we can run in Foota Hype, man. We need to do this more regular because some industry insider business, I think people would have loved to hear, and I think them would have get like a different perspective.
Remember, all of me run joke, them take it serious, you know, so me can't do that.
Yeah. Well, no, I feel like if you have somebody will balance it now, we can say, yo, we'll talk some industry facts. Then would I say, yo, Foota know what going in the industry. Yo, remember say enough interview, whole heap of interview when you talk about Mars and you talk about Alien and all of them something. Me always I say, you know, so Foota Hype is the person to speak some things that nobody want to talk about. And when him speak, him take the brunt, him take the whipping, him take the, yo, everybody just beat him. And then eventually, in the news, you're going to say, Alien, come down. And you're going to say, yo, you know, so Foota Hype is just a person, an intelligent person who speaks in actuality. So when him talk, if him chat fuckery, I haven't heard it yet. I honestly believe you actually chat some facts. But through you run so much joke, people them just say, it's a fuckery thing you deal with. So me can balance that and I'll make people know, say, yo, right now we're just talk some industry stuff, some real stuff, make them know what going in the scenes, and then people them will know, say, all right, Foota now run a joke right now. Serious something we matter.
All right, I'm going to call you after the show done, I will talk. But
yeah,
you know, you know, say either down at Kendall they live, or up at Parkland. You know,
never that.
Yo,
never that.
No signal down.
Yo, big up to everybody from Carroll City. I live and from Carroll City, bro. 100%.
I believe you.
All right, big up.
All right, brother.
Yeah, I'm going to lock off because I don't want to hear who you say with.
But everybody can talk you and tell you.
All right, no problem. Let them just send the clippings. Send the clippings.
All right,
yeah, man. Respect.
Them man rate me as a younger selector than him, where him do